Hi, this is Dave with MicroQuant, and this is the free video for Thursday, June 5th, 2014. We are looking at Priceline on a daily chart. Have been watching it for a little while. It's an interesting position we find Priceline in. Made a recent move from the middle of May to the end of May, and this move roughly is in line of about, oh goodness, $170 to the upside. We are looking actually to play a retracement move on this. So this is roughly a $85 potential move to the downside from the high. At this point, we are sitting right at $12.53. We could continue to fall another $50 to the 50% retracement level at $12.04. Now, what we have is a potential pause right here on the 8-period moving average. But you can see on the daily chart, momentum is still trending lower, and the squeeze momentum just turned lower today. So that right there is telling me, plus the fact that this is a doji, it might be pausing right here and then moving lower. Also keep in mind that the markets themselves are up today. So what we're trying to do is find a position intraday to get short. Now, we did have one. If we look at a 2-minute chart of Priceline, we will see that today we found an opportunity here. At the open, we gapped up, moved higher. We came back up and made a nearly equally high high, hit moderately overvalued, and at this point when the market started to fall was a great opportunity to buy puts. Now, Priceline puts, I did purchase some, 20 contracts, and we fell to this low. That was very exciting because we went from roughly $12.55 down to $12.46. So this is roughly a $9 move. When we filled the gap, I went ahead and took 5 contracts off. We bounced, we retested the low here, and at this point I went ahead and sold 5 more contracts. So I'm halfway out of my position, not knowing if we would break lower and continue lower. Now at this point, what happened is I took the other 5 contracts off and I moved my stop to break even, which was basically in this area up here at $12.55. So as long as we stayed below $12.55, I wouldn't get stopped out. But I also already had $5,000 worth of profit. What turned around and happened was we were trading other things, and the price line started moving higher. And right about this point in here, roughly about 12 o'clock noon, I get stopped out because the price line pushes higher. So the last remaining 10 contracts, I got stopped out at break even, made $5,000 on the first 10. So the trade was good. We made some money. We were hoping for a breakthrough and a break lower. At this point, I do not have a short position, and I'm still looking for that opportunity because I believe on a longer term daily chart, we could come down. And again, the potential gain here is roughly $50 to the downside. That's crazy because just today, this is a $9 move, and on the contracts we earned on half the position, we made $5,000. So right here, that could be a per contract gain of $5,000 with the value of Priceline falling from the current price of $12.52 all the way down to here to around $12.04. Again, trading Priceline, the big fish trade, looking to find another opportunity.